Hey guys, I'm Dave Cheston, the founder of Publisher Rocket as well as Kindlepreneur, and I want to congratulate you on picking up Rocket. In order to get started with Rocket, be sure to follow the instructions below this video. The first is to make sure to download the right version of Rocket. If you're on a Windows, then make sure to download the Windows version, and if you're on a Mac, make sure to download the Mac version. After that, go ahead and install the program onto your computer. And when you open up Rocket for the very first time, it's going to ask you to input your email address. That's the one that you use to purchase Rocket. When you do this, Rocket will automatically apply your license to your program. You should be good to go. However, if you'd like, you can enter your license here. Now, by the time you're at this point in the video, you should have gotten an email that will include that license inside of it, as well as information about Rocket and our tutorial page, as well as the way to contact our support in case you need anything. And if you decide to enter your license in, just go ahead and copy it and then paste it right in. That way there won't be any issues with spaces or misspellings or any of that sort of thing. And once you've done this, you should be good to go. And with that, I'm Dave Cheston of Publisher Rocket, thanking you guys for being here and hoping you the best on your book marketing journey. Cheers.